How to fix sharper image massage gun not working, how you can simply fix this issue. So follow those steps in the video till the end and to do it. If your massage gun won't charge, try the steps before replacing it. Step 1 will be check the charging cable and the adapter. Then inspect the USB cable or charging cord for any damage. Try a different USB adapter or the wallet outlet. If it's a USB-C or micro USB model, try a compatible cable from the another device. Then clean the charging port will be step 2. Use a dry toothbrush, compressed air or toothpick to gently clean dust or debris from the charging port. Dirty ports often prevent proper connection. Step 3 is try a different outlet. Test in another watt outlet to rule out electrical issues on your home. Then look for charging indicator lights. Power off the mouse, wait 5 seconds, LED light turn on back. Usually unplug the replug the dongle. If no light appears, try pressing the power button while use Logitech G Hub to see if the trigger download and open Logitech G Hub. A soft reset. Make sure the software have a reset button if usually near the charging device or update the firmware. Press and hold it for 5 and step will be repair or mouse manually. No reset button, go to try holding the power button instead wireless device and follow the prompts. Final step will be let it charge. Thanks so much for watching this video. If the battery is fully drained, leave it charged for 30 or 60 minutes without using it. This is how you can solve it. Thank you so much for watching it.